Now dear friends, so this is a difficult level of mechanical drawing. So this is our second drawing. So closely observe this drawing, where to start. So if you start from here, this point, it will be very difficult. And also if you start from this point, it will also be very difficult. So for that reason I am starting from this point, so it will be very easy for us to complete this drawing in a less time. So once check the dimensions. So there is a circle here, the diameter of 14 here. So firstly I am drawing that and selecting diameter as 14 and press enter. This is of line type, so center. So I am selecting center and giving the LTS, enter, the value of 5 and press enter. And now 5 is also very high, so I am giving the command as 1, see. And now there is a circle, small circle here, see. There is a small circle which is of diameter 3. So I am drawing, so before that I am drawing a reference line here. So there is a circle here of diameter 3. So selecting diameter and give the diameter value 3. And we need to make array. So the items are 6 here. So go to polar array, select the object and press enter. And select this as the center point of this circle. And see, defaultly it is 3. It is 6 and within the fill angle of 360 degree. And click on close array. And now see, there is another circle, so which is of diameter 20. So I am drawing that circle. So I am selecting this and drawing the diameter as 20 and press enter. And now see, here there is a line of distance 10 from this center point. So I am drawing a reference line vertically. So see, and now I need to make offset this vertical line to the 10 distance left side. So go to command line, give the command O and give the distance 10 and press enter. Select this line and make offset. So now I am extending this line to further. So see, so from this center point, so taking as this as the center point, and see there is a radius of 20 and there is a radius of 15. There are two circles here by using this as the center point. And there is a diameter of 50 also. So there is a diameter of 50 by using this center point. We need to draw 3. So firstly I am drawing, taking as this center point, and see, diameter of 50 I am drawing. So give the value diameter 50. And there are two circles here. So one is the radius 20 and one is the radius 15. So we need to draw two circles. So from this center point I am drawing a radius of 15 and another circle of radius 20 and press enter. So once check, this 15 radius is starting from this point and this 20 is starting from this point. So those mistakes you should not do. So this I am starting from here and I am giving the value 15. So this 15 radius circle is starting from this point, so because it is represented from here, and there is a 20 diameter, right? So it is starting from here and the radius is 20. See, these are the values. And now there is a distance of 10. So if you make this horizontal line to the top 5 and to the bottom 5, then we will get these lines. So giving the command O and giving the value 5 and press enter, making offset this line to the top and to the bottom. So now there is a fillet. See, there is a radius here. It is of radius 2, and this 2 must be applied here, 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 and here. So there are 4 fillets of radius 2. So go to command fillet and select the radius, give the value 2 and press enter, select the multiple, and see, I am selecting this circle and this line, and see, I am selecting this circle and this circle is also 2, and selecting this circle and this line is also 2, and this circle and this circle is also the radius 2. And now remove the unwanted things so that the object will be clearly visible for us. We have done right or wrong. So see, I am removing whatever I don't need. So see, this is the required drawing, so I am deleting the unwanted lines also. So see, finally this is our object, and I am making center mark here so that axis lines will be visible for us, and there is a center mark here also. So see, this is our object, and see, there is a line here which is of at a distance of 62 from this center point, right? So if you draw any reference line here, so I am drawing a reference line and I am making, so if you move this line also, so it will also be better. So I am making offset, give the command O and press enter, and there is a distance from here, it is at a distance of 62. So give the value at the rate 62 less than 180 and press enter. See, so giving the command O and press enter, give the value 62 and press enter. Select this vertical line and make offset to the left. See, and now extend this line to some other and draw a line horizontally. All these are the reference lines only. See, and extending this line to some other point, and now there is an intersection point I got here. So here there is a diameter of 30 and there is a diameter of 22 circles are there. So see, I am drawing 2 circles here, so which is of diameter 30 and which is of diameter 20. So see, there are 2 circles, and now these 2 circles are similarly we need to draw here also, but at a distance of from here to here there is a distance of 60, and at an angle of, so always the angle will take from 0 degree only. So for that we need to calculate the angle from 0 to here. So if you make the whole angle up to here is 180, so see, it is at an angle here, right? So the whole angle is 180 degree, and it has given from here to here the angle is 129. So if we make 180 minus 129, then we will be getting this angle. So for that I am calculating this. So 180 minus 129 will give us 51 degrees. So this is the angle 51. So we need to draw an angle of distance 80 at an angle 51 degree. So for that I am selecting a line here, and from this center point I need to draw a line at the rate distance 80 less than 51 and press enter. See, this is the point we need to draw here from this point, right? So now the same 2 circles we need to draw here also. For that I am copying these items. So select base point and keep this point so that the item will be appeared here. And see, there is a radius of 100 here and here also. There are 2 fillets of radius 100 and there is a fillet radius of 50 and 50. So we need to give that fillets and select this fillet option. Select the radius, give the value 100 and press enter, select the multiple and see, select this circle and this circle, select this circle and these circles again. So, and again click the radius, give the value 50 and press enter, select multiple again, and now select this circle and this circle, and again select this circle and this circle, so that fillets will be applied. And now see, remove the unwanted reference lines which we have drawn. So see, this is our object, and make the center marks again here. So just click and the center marks will be applied, and you can also draw lines also. So this line is of line type center. So see, give the value LTS and giving the value 3 and press enter. See, so like that we need to complete this type of drawings, and these type of drawings are somewhat you face difficulty in drawing these, so be careful while drawing. So start from easiest point so that you will complete this type of drawings in a least time. So I am giving dimensions now. So what are the linear dimensions we have? So from this to, so from here, and there is a linear dimension from here to here also. And now there are diameter values, selecting this diameter and diameter of this, there is a pi diameter, and there is a diameter value. Inside there is a diameter of 8 also, when we haven't done. So I am drawing that circle of diameter 8. So 8 and press enter, and select this diameter and give this diameter value also, and outer diameter is, so this is 20. See, aligned dimension of, see, from here to here there is a distance of, see, and now there is an angular dimension. So the angular dimension from here, so from horizontal, from this point to the horizontal, there is an angle of 129, and there is a radius values here. So I am giving the radius as 50, and there are diameters here. There are 2 diameters. See, select this and again select this inner, and see, there is a radius here also. So we need to represent this, and there is a radius here also 100, and there is a 100, and any more. So we need to give linear dimension from here to here also, and there is a radius of 2, the fillet radius here. So we need to represent that, and see, any more thing. So we need to give the radius here, and we need to give the radius here also. See, like that we need to represent each and every dimension also. So like that we need to complete this type of drawing. See, each and every dimension we need to represent, and practice more and more drawing so that you will be get more commands.